Welcome to another property tour. Today I will be showing you this newly built two-story listing here in Xavier Estates Phase 4. So this property has a floor area of 170 square meters and sits on a lot area of 150 square meters. So the beauty of this house is that it's just right in front of open space. So in front of you is a park, playground, so at least there will be nothing blocking your view or your airflow. So this house has a one-car parking space and it's very functional because around the area of the house, around the perimeter of the house, it's already fully tiled, so very low maintenance. And you can also add like maybe hanging plants on the side or potted plants on the ground. And so let's check out the interior of the property. So this house has pretty much an open floor plan. So as you go inside the property, you can just immediately see everything. So this could be your living space. And over here could be your dining area. So there are also sliding glass doors on this side leading out to the patio. So in case you have maybe events, family or friends over, then maybe you can set something up on this side. So it would be easy for them to go outside and inside the house. And kitchen is over here. So it is already semi-furnished, like all the finishes will be included in the property. So there's already cooktop, a range hood, overhead and underhead cabinets. So there are already lots of storage space. And a double sink over here. This house is a 4-bedroom property, so there is 1 bedroom on the first floor and a toilet and bath. So this could also maybe double as your pantry, or you can also make it into staff quarters. So it's a smaller bedroom. Or maybe it could be turned into a guest room, so it's really up to you. Or maybe an office space as well. So if you like to work from home, then this is something that you could convert into office space. And underneath the stairs, there's also still some space that you can utilize. So you could maybe put like a cabinet in this area and then hide your cleaning materials here. So now let's go check out the second floor. So now we're headed up the second floor. So the second floor has 3 bedrooms. So let's go check out the first bedroom. So the colors, by the way, of the property, very neutral. It's a lot of grays and browns. So you could really turn it into your own since very neutral colors. So this is the first bedroom here on the second floor. Again, there are 3 rooms on the second floor, 1 room on the first floor. All the rooms already have their own built-in cabinets. So this is something that you can already use when you move in. Just need to bring in your clothes. And then there are also 2 toilet and baths on the second floor. So the first one is the common toilet and bath. And then the master bedroom has its own toilet and bath as well. So the toilet and bath is in between the 2 rooms. And this is the second bedroom here on the second floor. Again, it has its own built-in cabinet already. They're pretty much the same size. This one is pretty much the same size as the other bedroom that I just showed you. And then now let me show you the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. So this is the biggest room in the whole house. It also has the most windows, so there's a lot of natural light that can come in, and it faces the park and playground, the open space in front. So if you just open the windows, then you'd be able to enjoy good airflow. So there are windows on this side, there are windows on this side as well, so you can enjoy cross ventilation. So cross ventilation is basically being able to enjoy good airflow by having a lot of windows in your space. And then it also comes already, as with the other rooms, with own built-in cabinets. Of course, it has the biggest and the most number of cabinets compared to the other rooms. And also comes with its own toilet and bath. Now we're at the back of the house, so this could be used as your laundry area. So there's already a sink here with faucet, ready for your laundry space. There's also drainage over here, an outlet for the washing machine, and a faucet. So it's already covered as well, but you can also extend the canopy just to make sure that your appliance, that your washing machine won't get wet. So it's pretty functional already. So there's another faucet with drain over on this side. So this space could definitely be used as the laundry area, and maybe you can just add like a clothesline as well to hang your clothes on. And that is it for today's property tour. If you're interested in checking out this listing, then do contact me. My contact info is in the description, and I will see you in my next video.